What you put your energy on grows. What you put your energy on tends to manifest in your life. Hi there, I'm Jessie Q, your everyday coach for inspired and intentional living. So I'm doing a little series on how to manifest things. Now, I'm making it a series because sometimes certain things resonate with people and those same things don't resonate with other people. So there's many different methods and techniques that you can use to train your focus to put your energy on the things that you want to bring into your life. And as somebody who's really passionate about inspired and intentional living, putting the energy, your energy, on the things that you want to bring into your life is super, super important to me. So it's something that I focus on every single day in my life, and I want to share that with you. So today, this is a really fun one. It is super easy. It helps really raise your energy level. It makes you really happy to do this, and that is in creating a vision board. So if you haven't done this before, I really recommend it. I've been doing these for years, and it is so much fun. Okay? Because what happens when you create a vision board is not only are you focused on those things that you want to bring into your life, but you're putting a lot of visual, you're making a very visual and emotional experience. So when you put both the visual aspect to a goal and the emotion to it, boy, it makes it so, so, so powerful. And I'll tell you, for the vision boards that I've made through my life, it is amazing to see how those things do come into my life. So, first thing that I do, I like using just a good old bulletin board, okay? Mine, I don't know, it's like 12 by 24, 18 by 24, it doesn't matter the size. But I like it I like it to be big enough so that I've got plenty of space to put things on there that really speak to me. And then you've got to think about the things that you want to bring into your life. Now, I did a video on Warren Buffett's 5-25 rule, I guess I'll say. It's his technique for really focusing on your goals. And I'll put a link below to that video so that you can watch that. That may help you determine what you want to put on your vision board. But for me, my current vision board has a variety of different things on it. It's just things that really spoke to me that I wanted to see in my life. So my vision board has push pins. What I do is when I create my vision board, I will open up my computer, I will look through magazines, I will find whatever sort of graphic speaks to the goals that I have. So I will type up words if I can't find what I'm looking for. So like I'm a runner and I like to run. So I have a goal, my little goal. It says I want to run marathons around the world. I'm a marathon runner. So I'd love to do Paris, Dublin, Edinburgh. I'm sure there's a lot more on there, but those are the first few that I'm thinking, okay, that would be a really great marathon to run, like my bucket list item. So I just printed that out. I put it on a piece of paper, printed it out, and that, with a little push pin, just goes right on my board. Now with this, another great thing to do be to start getting pictures, because when you start applying pictures to your vision, you are creating just a wonderful vision of what that experience will be like. So you're creating a lot of emotion. So for me, I want to run marathons. I want to go to great places around the world to run those marathons. I'm going to put pictures of those locations on there. I'm going to put pictures of me running because it makes me feel strong and joyful. It's just something, I know it's crazy, but I really like doing it. So, it's a great way to get out and see your community, your world. because you're going at a slower pace, you're interacting with a lot of people that are doing the same thing that you love. So for me, when I think about that experience, it brings a lot of really positive emotion and happiness to my heart. So I'm starting to load my vision board with these sorts of words and images for the goals that I have. I want a strong and healthy body. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick it on my vision board. Now, I can, again, associate pictures with that. I can put pictures of food that I like to eat. It's just very, very inspiring. I want to save some money. I found a picture of big stacks of money. So I want to be sure every single month that I am saving money and putting money aside for myself, for my family, to help take care of me, to do the fun things like going on those marathon trips. That is really important to me. So I'm going to stick that on my vision board. Got another push pin here. Let's stick this one on my vision board. Okay, so as I keep finding visual images, putting down words of the things that are really, really, really inspiring to me, this board fills up. And as you do this for yourself, as like when I do this for me, it makes you really happy. It has you feeling really joyful thoughts. It feels very possible that these things are going to come into your life. And I take my vision board and I put it, I've got a desk that I work at, and I put it on my desk where I'm going to see it every single day. It's something that I actually just, as it's all full, I'm looking at these pictures throughout my day. And so it is never far from my heart, from my thoughts. The board raises my energy levels, and it really is just a kind of a quiet and subtle way for me to be reminded all the time that I want these things in my life. And you're also really putting it out to the universe that these are your goals. And when you focus on this and are looking at it every day, maybe get up in the morning, take a look at it. It's a great way to start the day. This helps you bring these things into your life because it is a very happy, energized, exciting, it's just a great way to be reminded of what's really important to you. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I really recommend this because it's just such a fun and happy exercise to do. If you've ever made a vision board before and you found that it works for you or you've struggled with it, make some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, I'd love to see those as well. If you have thoughts on other manifestation techniques that you'd like to learn about, let me know that too. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the like button and don't forget to hit the bell notification to get updates on when my daily videos are posted. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon.